Have you ever wondered if it's possible to earn money without searching for a traditional job? Or questioned whether there's an alternative path to success? One that offers more freedom and fulfillment? Today, we're uncovering an ancient secret hidden in the Bible, a principle that King Solomon, the wisest and wealthiest man in biblical history, understood deeply. This knowledge can change the way you think about money and guide you toward true prosperity. Let me ask you, is working decades in a secure job really the only way to achieve financial success? And could there be a completely different approach that leads to abundance and stability? The answer is surprising and liberating. Solomon discovered that wealth doesn't come from a job alone. It begins with wisdom, the foundation for all enduring success. Instead of chasing traditional work, Solomon sought knowledge that would unlock lasting riches. His words, recorded in the Bible, are a powerful reminder. With me are riches and honor, enduring wealth and righteousness. These words reveal that prosperity isn't just about accumulating money or possessions. Instead, it's rooted in wise decisions and justice, creating a foundation for financial stability that lasts beyond temporary gains. True financial success isn't limited to paychecks or job security. Instead, it depends on how you manage your resources. Even if you earn a fortune, without wisdom, you risk losing it as quickly as it came. Solomon's teachings challenge conventional beliefs about money, showing us that true wealth is about strategy, foresight, and wise stewardship. But what is enduring wealth? And why is it so powerful? It's a form of prosperity that remains steady, regardless of external challenges. Money itself can't guarantee happiness or security. However, when paired with wisdom and justice, wealth becomes a tool for building a life of abundance, purpose, and stability. Before we continue, if this content is inspiring you to think differently about wealth and success, take a moment to like this video and subscribe to the channel. It's a simple way to support us and ensure we can keep bringing you more transformative insights like these. Are you ready to embrace this ancient wisdom and apply it to your financial life? Stay tuned as we dive deeper into King Solomon's principles and explore how they can transform your future. What distinguishes temporary wealth from enduring wealth? Temporary wealth is fleeting. It's the kind that comes quickly and often vanishes just as fast. It might arrive through sudden luck, a large inheritance, or an unexpected windfall, but it rarely has a solid foundation. Without a thoughtful strategy and a wise mindset, even a significant fortune can slip through your fingers. Managing resources impulsively or without a clear plan leads to instability and loss. In contrast, enduring wealth is cultivated over time. It's the result of smart choices, long-term planning, and the ability to look beyond immediate gains. King Solomon's teachings highlight that those who prioritize wisdom are not only able to acquire wealth, but also know how to maintain and grow it. This type of wealth is resilient, standing strong in the face of financial downturns, personal challenges, or career changes. Its strength lies in deliberate management and a far-sighted approach to success. But Solomon's perspective on wealth extends beyond money. He connects prosperity with honor, a deeper, more meaningful form of success. Honor represents the respect and trust earned through righteous decisions and ethical behavior. It's not enough to accumulate possessions. What truly matters is the legacy you build and the reputation you establish. Solomon reminds us that wealth alone is empty without a foundation of integrity and purpose. Another critical element of enduring wealth is justice. Solomon emphasizes that lasting prosperity cannot exist without fairness. Wealth gained dishonestly or through unethical actions is inherently unstable and often leads to personal and relational turmoil. Justice, however, creates a foundation that supports not only financial stability, but also trust, respect, and stronger relationships. Acting justly ensures that your success benefits others as much as it benefits you. Justice and wisdom go hand in hand. Solomon teaches that decisions rooted in fairness and righteousness lead to deeper, more sustainable success. When you act ethically, you foster trust and strengthen your connections, elements that money alone can never provide. So, How can you begin building enduring wealth today? Start by making decisions with wisdom, fairness, and a commitment to long-term growth. Solomon's principles remind us that true prosperity is about more than material riches. It's about living a life filled with purpose, respect, and enduring impact. What happens when we focus solely on quick gains instead of building something lasting? In today's world, many people rely on fixed salaries for their sense of stability. It feels safe, predictable income, routine expenses, and the comfort of knowing what's coming next. But King Solomon challenges this idea, offering a broader vision of financial security. He reminds us that true wealth isn't built on what you earn today, but on how wisely you manage and multiply your resources. If you're finding these insights valuable, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. It helps us reach more people and share even more meaningful content. Also, take a moment to check out my ebook, Divine Essence: Rediscovering the Inner Self and Spiritual Peace. The link is in the description. Don't miss this opportunity to dive deeper into your journey of self-discovery and spiritual peace. Think about it. What happens if your steady paycheck disappears? Layoffs, economic crises, or market disruptions can quickly expose how fragile that stability truly is. Solomon's wisdom points to a different path, one that involves creating wealth that isn't dependent on a single source. It's about developing the foresight to build multiple streams of income and the discipline to nurture them over time. This approach to financial freedom requires shifting your mindset. Instead of seeing money as something to spend immediately, view it as a tool to create opportunities. Investments, side projects, or learning new skills can all become pathways to diversify your income. Solomon's teachings emphasize that wealth is not just about numbers in a bank account, but about the ability to create and sustain a foundation that endures through life's challenges. Each decision we make has the power to shape our future. From how we spend a single dollar to the larger risks we take, wisdom must guide every choice. Solomon's message is clear. Wealth grows when we stop chasing instant gratification and start focusing on the long-term impact of our actions. True financial success also requires investing in yourself. By improving your knowledge, developing skills, and fostering relationships, you create assets that no market downturn can take away. Solomon believed that wealth begins with wisdom, and that wisdom extends to every area of life, not just finances. Imagine a life where you're not bound by a paycheck. Instead, your income stems from smart decisions and opportunities you've created. What steps will you take today to move closer to that vision? Have you ever thought about what it takes to achieve true financial freedom? It's not the hours you work or the job you hold, but the ability to wisely manage and grow what you have. Relying solely on a paycheck decided by someone else keeps you tied to their terms. But what if you were in control of your income and your future? The Bible teaches that wisdom leads not only to wealth, but also to honor and justice. This means success isn't just about accumulating money. It's about how you use it to create stability and opportunities. The wisdom of King Solomon offers practical steps to build a life of freedom and purpose. Let's explore 4 strategies to start applying today. Focus on personal growth. Investing in yourself is the first step to creating wealth. This doesn't just mean financial investments. It includes dedicating time and energy to expanding your knowledge and skills. The more you learn about how finances work, the more confident and capable you'll become in handling them. Solomon pursued wisdom above all, knowing it opened the door to every other blessing. Work with purpose. Success isn't about how much effort you put in, but how effectively you use your time. Diligence means working with intention and strategy. It's not about endless labor. It's about focusing on actions that generate real value. By aligning your efforts with wisdom, you can achieve results that last. Create diverse opportunities. Relying on one income source leaves you vulnerable to changes beyond your control. Explore ways to diversify, whether through investments, side projects, or entrepreneurship. Building multiple streams of income provides security and allows you to adapt to life's uncertainties. Multiply what you have. Wealth grows when you use it wisely. Instead of holding on to money out of fear, Invest in opportunities that allow it to grow. This could mean starting long-term projects or supporting ideas that align with your vision. Solomon understood that wealth isn't just about saving, it's about creating impact and ensuring growth over time. Ultimately, financial freedom is about more than numbers. It's about living a life where your choices reflect your values. Imagine a future where you have the ability to pursue what you love, support those in need, and invest in meaningful goals, all without depending on a fixed paycheck. That's the kind of prosperity Solomon inspires us to seek. Have you ever considered that wealth doesn't come from a fixed job, but from the choices you make every day? Figures like Abraham, Job, and King Solomon weren't wealthy because of steady employment. Instead, they used wisdom to make decisions that transformed their lives and the lives of others. Every choice, no matter how small, holds the potential to shape your financial future. King Solomon reminds us that success doesn't require radical changes overnight. Instead, it grows from small, consistent actions guided by wisdom. Whether it's saving a small amount, investing in the right opportunities, or nurturing relationships, these steps accumulate into something significant over time. But wisdom isn't just about finances. It's about how you navigate every area of life. Your relationships, the opportunities you embrace, and the challenges you overcome. When you approach life with a mindset of growth and understanding, the results naturally follow. Solomon's lesson is clear. You don't need to depend on others to create success. You need to rely on the power of wise decision-making. Financial freedom isn't about being tied to a paycheck. It's about taking control of your resources and multiplying them with intention. By managing your time, energy, and money strategically, you create opportunities that go beyond the limitations of a job. Imagine a life where you're not bound by someone else's financial decisions, but instead guided by your own vision. The way forward begins with one simple step. Commit to seeking wisdom in every choice you make. When you let understanding guide your decisions, you open the door to freedom, prosperity, and purpose. Ask yourself, are you ready to rethink your approach to money? Are you ready to build a life where success is the result of your decisions, not external circumstances? If so, now is the time to act. Start making choices that reflect your goals and values, and watch as your life transforms. True success isn't tied to a job. It's built on the foundation of your decisions and the wisdom you cultivate. Take control today and let the journey toward lasting prosperity begin. Thank you for staying with us until the end. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us grow and bring you even more transformative content. And before you go, take the next step on your journey by watching the video we've prepared for you next. It's packed with more insights to help you build a life of wisdom, freedom, and purpose. See you there.